Twins have sent me a new induction hose to replace this section. These brackets are held on with two 12mm bolts, so I'll undo them and then we'll get this blue one out and get the new one into place. So the purple matches everything. It's quite nice. Nice easy job to do. Obviously the brackets you might have and the clips you might have may differ from the ones I have here. So that's one side off, so just bear that in mind. Get that done. Alright, I'm going to undo the clip here that puts this hose in place so I can get a bit more levy on it. So grab a screwdriver. Disconnect that hose, just give me a bit more levy for the airflow meter to be moved out of the way. That's all one out. Put the new one in. It's a little bit longer, only by a centimetre, but that's fine. It just tucks up against the pipe a bit nicer. Mass airflow meter back in. Jiggly clip. Pull your clips back up. Meter back in. And that's it, job done. Looks nice and tidy. There is one little thing I want to do to this before, because they sent me a bunch of stickers. I'm going to stick a bigger sticker on it. I'll give it a quick clean over. In fact, I won't be able to do that. It's not going to sit right. So what I might do is give this pipe here a bit more of a clean up and maybe stick it here. I've got a couple of these as well, so I can stick them around the engine bay in areas. So that's the air hose put in. So there it is, it's in place. It looks really good, better than the blue one I had over the back there. Goes a bit more with the engine. Goes with my rocker hoses, and I'm just finishing installing this part here. This is the oil cooler pipes, so I just got to put that on with them. Bag of Jubilee clips, more stickers as you see. The guys are going to be doing the rest of my hoses all for me as well, including this hose, literally they're going to be doing every hose for me. Really chuffed with what they're doing for us. It's nice little touches like that, just finish it off. So I just got to get this one done down here. I've just noticed it, there's one odd blue one down there, so I'll do something with this at a later date. But for now, that's nice, I'm happy with that. Hit the guys up over on Instagram, all their links are in the description. So all the links will all be in the description. Just unplug the light and power on a couple more lights out in the garage. So for now, that's another video in the bag. Hope you've enjoyed watching and following along with this video. If so, consider hitting that like button and giving the thumbs up and show us the support for the video and for the guys over at TwinzMotorSport. Without them guys, this video wouldn't have been possible, and I've got a few more videos coming up with them as well. So be sure to check them out at Instagram and on Facebook, and they're on eBay as well. So for now, consider hitting that like button, as I say. Consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Show me your support. And for now, that's another video done. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye for now.